Amazon MQ now offers enhanced security and network optimization through AWS Private Link support. This feature addresses the need for secure, private communication between your VPC and the Amazon MQ API without traversing the public internet. You can connect directly to the Amazon MQ API within your VPC, eliminating the need for public IP addresses on your instances. For private networks, you can use AWS VPN or Direct Connect to connect to your VPC. You can easily set up private link using either the AWS Management Console or CLI commands. These capabilities provide a more secure and efficient way to interact with Amazon MQ, keeping all traffic within the AWS network. AWS IoT Core for LoRaWAN now offers improved fleet management and scalability for IoT applications. You can assign IPv6 addresses to LoRaWAN devices, simplifying network configuration and enhancing security. Selective multicast transmission reduces airtime competition during firmware updates. Advanced logging capabilities allow you to monitor FWOTA progress in detail. The AWS IoT Core Console provides a streamlined interface for managing gateway firmware updates, simplifying the process of keeping your LoRaWAN infrastructure up to date. Implementing responsible AI safeguards for generative applications can be costly and complex. Amazon Bedrock Guardrails addresses this by allowing you to implement safeguards based on your specific use cases and policies. You can implement safeguards for generative AI applications, ensuring content safety and privacy. The feature allows you to filter content and redact PII, enhancing application security. You can configure policies for various checks, tailoring safeguards to your needs. With the new pricing reduction, you can reduce costs for content filters and denied topics, making responsible AI more accessible. These changes enable you to accelerate the adoption of responsible AI across your generative applications while managing costs effectively. Amazon RDS for SQL Server previously lacked granular control over backup and restore operations, potentially limiting performance optimization. The new feature addresses this by introducing custom parameters for the RDS_backup_database, RDS_restore_database, and RDS_restore_log stored procedures. You can now specify block size to control data block size. Set max transfer size to manage maximum data transfer size, adjust buffer count to optimize buffer usage, and fine-tune these processes for your specific database requirements. These customizations allow you to improve efficiency, reduce operation times, and accommodate unique database characteristics and workload patterns, especially when default settings are incompatible with your backups. Managing large numbers of AWS resources across different services can be challenging. AWS Resource Groups now supports 405 additional resource types, allowing you to organize and manage resources more effectively. You can group resources from services like Bedrock, Chime, and QuickSight using tags. This enables you to create logical collections of resources such as applications or projects. You can then manage these groups across dimensions like cost and performance. The feature is available in all AWS regions, including GovCloud, and can be accessed through multiple interfaces for flexibility in your workflow. Content creators need efficient ways to manage and moderate live video streams. Amazon IVS now offers thumbnail recording for real-time streaming to address this challenge. You can enable automatic thumbnail generation at specified intervals, with images stored in Amazon S3. This feature allows you to create preview images for content discovery and implement content moderation workflows. By configuring the capture interval, storing in S3, and leveraging the thumbnails for previews or moderation, you can streamline your live streaming operations without incurring additional costs beyond standard S3 charges. Amazon SES introduces deterministic Easy DKIM (DEED) to address challenges in managing DKIM across multiple AWS regions. DEED simplifies DKIM management by allowing you to use the same identity across all commercial AWS regions without DNS changes. You can now reduce the risk of manual DNS management errors and simplify operations for multinational businesses. ISVs can operate seamlessly across regions without requiring domain owners to modify DNS settings. DEED is available in all commercial AWS regions where SES sending is supported, enabling more efficient and error-resistant email authentication for global operations.